Craving something sweet but want to maintain a healthy lifestyle? The Healthy Dessert Book is your answer, offering over 130 recipes that transform frozen fruits into delightful, guilt-free desserts. Perfect for families who want to enjoy tasty treats without compromising on health. Imagine indulging in s'more Yonanas made with just 2 frozen, overripe bananas, 2 cinnamon graham crackers, and a dark chocolate bar. Or savoring a cookies and cream parfait with berries. From lemon blueberry to cranberry orange maple and apple sorbet to orange whip, these recipes are just a taste of what's inside. This book empowers you to make healthier choices while enjoying the flavors you love. It's not just about satisfying your sweet tooth, it's about contributing to your well-being. With these recipes, you can enjoy mouthwatering desserts that are both delicious and nutritious. If you're excited about healthier living, please subscribe, and follow us on at Starbook5. Your support is crucial for us to continue sharing inspiring health resources. Join our community committed to healthy living and delicious desserts. Together, let's inspire healthier choices. #Yonanas, #healthy desserts, #healthy living, #guilt-free treats, #cooking with fruits, #support healthy eating.